How can I set boundaries without offending anyone? Hi, I'm Caroline from Ninth Koi Coaching, and I help people who are in between stories in their lives discover their authentic selves and move to the next chapter with confidence and strength in knowing their personal worth. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to set boundaries without offending anyone. Firstly, you cannot guarantee that you will not offend somebody because you do not control the responses, behaviours, or feelings of anybody except for yourself. You need to understand that your needs are just as important as their needs. You also need to keep in mind that both people have a choice. You can make a request and they can say no. They can make a request and you can say no. That doesn't mean that the boundary isn't going to work. You have other options where you can respond differently next time. Choosing the right time is important. So while this doesn't mean, someone else's mood is more important than what you need to say, you might find that if you've got a quiet chance to talk to someone about your boundary rather than doing it on the spot, you might be better heard and therefore respected. An example could be, hey, remember last week when you were late to our date? I just wanted to let you know that I've got a boundary where I don't actually wait for longer than 15 minutes unless somebody texts me. And finally, choose your tone. Often, how your boundary is received has a lot to do with the tone of voice that it's voiced in. You might need to take a deep breath or schedule a later time to talk about it. And those are my tips for how to set boundaries without offending anyone. If you'd like to take personal boundaries to the next level, you can download my Boundaries for Beginners workbook. I'll pop the link in the comments section below. Drop your questions in the section below and I'll get right back to you. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more tips.